it's Melissa. In this video, I'm going to give you a little tip, a little hack on how to make bigger designs on your Epson F2100, even if you only have the 14x16 platen that comes with it. So if you are doing, this really comes into play if you are doing larger size shirts like large, XL, double XL. So if you have a design that you want to put across the chest on a really big shirt, sometimes doing it this way where it's only 14x16, I have the shirt upside down, but by 14x16 is not going to be big enough. Instead, you can utilize the 16-inch side by shifting not only the shirt itself, but also the orientation of the design in Epson Garment Creator. So first thing that you want to do is obviously prepare your shirt. White shirts do not need to have pre-treat on them because you're not using white ink. So just make sure your shirt is pressed, doesn't have any wrinkles, and you're ready to go. Now, looking at your F2100, your direct-to-garment printer, you want the collar of the shirt to go over here on the left side, okay? So towards the Epson logo. You're gonna center the sleeves basically in the front and the back and the front. Instead of normally, you know, your shirt would go this way. You want it to go this way, okay? That's going to give you a larger area. Now, you're gonna have to eyeball where your collar is, okay? And then you will just put your, you will just put the frame on that way, okay? And then you are going to move into Garment Creator. I have a few little wrinkles there. You're gonna move into Garment Creator and you need to rotate your design in Garment Creator also. So we will switch over there and then we will get ready to print. Okay, so here we are in Garment Creator. We are going to start a new project. So we are just gonna go to New, and we are telling it that we are using a white shirt, light color shirt standard. That is for the print settings, and then the layout default will work for us. So here we are. This is not going to print white, which is what we need, so that's perfect. And then we will bring in our design. So we'll just either go to open or you can drag and drop. So I'll pick open. I know I have my design. Here it is, Good Morning Coffee. And this design is going to open like it normally would. But what we want to do, obviously we can only get this large when we have it correct, you know, as 14x16 like we normally would. But remember, we're turning it. So the top of the collar, as you know, is on the left side, which means that we actually need to rotate it so that our design top is on the opposite side. Similar to when you are printing and you're printing like this, but the collar of your shirt is actually down this side of the platen. That's what we need to do. So we'll go to Layout Settings, and then we will just click Rotate, and that will rotate our design. Now you can see we have a little bit of a larger area that we can extend our design. So you have to decide how big you want it, but we'll do it this way. And then I will just click print and the printing will begin. Okay, so we have our shirt on here, so we're just gonna press, you know, that's okay. So we'll press the blue button and the printing will begin. Now, when you are printing and you don't have any white ink, this actually prints pretty quickly. So I'm not going to, if you're watching this video, this is not obviously sped up. I do talk fast, but this is normal. But it's just going to print as it normally would in the normal speed. And because you only have that one layer of ink, it's very, very quick. Probably, I would say 20 seconds for this shirt. Now, this design itself is distressed, which makes it a really good design for printing as opposed to cutting if you have a cutting machine, because trying to cut out all those little bits is for a distressed area out of vinyl, it's just not good. And obviously this wouldn't work for sublimation because this shirt is 100% cotton. So here you see we have our shirt, and I am just going to take it off of here. I'll lift it this way. And what you can see is that having the collar this way by the Epson symbol gives us that larger area, okay? And then, as I said, in the software, you're gonna make sure that you turn your shirt the other way. Now I just need to cure this in the heat press and it will be all set.